Alright. Here we got the Ultra X4 750 watt power supply unboxing. Got it from Newegg.
Target
Direct. Holy. Dude, you weren't lying when that's a big box. Fully modular, I believe.
Yeah.
100% fully modular. It's a cool power supply, dude. So the front of the box shows the connectors, its modularity, if that's even a word. On the side, it got some facts, more connectors. In the back, it gives you the output. Also, take note here on the 12-volt rail, you're getting 54 amps, so it's able to run your SLI and Crossfire. And yeah, let's open it up. Works better. Alright. First things first, user's manual. Oh my god, it's in color. Next we've got, I believe this is a sound dampener, so that you don't get any rattling or any, noises that you don't want. Got some zip ties for cable management, screws, and more screws. The power supply itself, I believe is what? The stock ATX size. So Crossfire X compatible, 80 plus, NVIDIA SLI compatible, all the stickers you want to see. See, that smells good. Ultra X4, that looks pretty cool. That's what, 180 mil fan? Maybe
120 maybe.
140. More than
120 to 180.
140. Let's go in the middle, 140. I believe it says somewhere. You got that honeycomb effect here, so you get decent airflow going out the back. It looks cool. And I believe what's left in the box is all the connectors. Which comes in a cool little bag. Ultra X4 power supply. There's your 24-pin motherboard connector. That's a 4-pin motherboard connector. You got your 6-pin graphics, the GPU power. This is a 6-pin with the adapter, so it makes it 8-pin for your GPUs as well. Another 6-pin. It's an 8-pin. Another 8-pin. So it's giving you all these connectors for your power supply. This for your motherboard. On the other side, we've got a bunch of Molex. Holy! This is for SATA. It's your hard drive power as well as your optical power. This is Molex and SATA. Molex, SATA, and your
4B?
That is, no, that's for, that's Molex to case fan.
Oh yeah.
As well as your
wall adapter.
That's it all in here. So that's cool that it's 100% modular, so you only put in what you need. I can guarantee you'll need this, so that'll go into there. Same thing with your 4-pin. And then all the rest, if you don't need it, you don't plug it in, so you don't have the clutter. There you go. There's the unboxing for the Ultra X4 750 watt power supply. There you go. A quick note before you go. You're going to want to think of getting one of these when your computer looks like that. You got two power supplies running. One to power your motherboard and hard drive and stuff, and next power supply to run your graphics card. Yeah, it's time to upgrade when you're down to this.